This 2022 Winnebago Inspire 34A is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 9 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.